The closest one we've had is a trace that came down in 1934. So if we make it through the entirety of October with no rain, we will officially have the only October with zero rainfall since really the 1884. So it's pretty wild to think about. We do need that rainfall. This morning we saw a lot of patchy fog. No rain. It might have felt a little wet outside, but that was just that fog. And it has since burned off. Temperatures also starting to heat up outside. 80 degrees right now in Houston, 80 also in Galveston. And then lastly in Conroe, pretty picture here, mostly clear, 78 degrees. And we will continue to heat on up as we head into the rest of the day today. So if you want to get out for early voting, you should be good to go. Just know if you are going to be stuck outside in a line, make sure that maybe take a bottle of water with you and also your sunglasses, because it will be gorgeous, but it will get a bit warm as we head into the mid-afternoon. By around noon, looking at a temperature of 83 degrees. By 4 p.m., coming in at 89. And then heading into the 70s once we get past 8 to 9 p.m. But overall today, feeling pretty nice, especially with all that dry air in place. But all that dry air in place will allow our temperatures to really rise up this afternoon. 89 here in Houston. The record for Houston, 91, set back in 2020. College Station, though, you could rise up into the low 90s. Same thing for Navasota, Brenham, Sealy, Columbus, as well as back over towards Hallettsville and LaGrange. Closer to the coast in Galveston, looking at a high right around 81 degrees. So definitely above normal for this time of year. And we are going to be looking at above normal temperatures as we head throughout the rest of this week and going into this next weekend. Looking at those highs coming in the upper 80s for Thursday and Friday. Also going to be looking at the potential for near record high temps those days. Hottest day of the week looks to take place heading into Saturday with a high temperature of 90. And then we'll continue to stay in those mid to upper 80s heading into next week. But we all want to know, when are we going to see some rain? So let's take a closer look at our future track here. Heading into tomorrow, another round of patchy fog possible in the morning. That should burn off rather quickly, yielding to mostly sunny skies. So no rain there on Thursday. On Friday, though, it is possible we could see some moisture try to sneak in, and that could bring us a very slight chance of rain. I would say for our coastal counties, about a 20% chance of rain. For Houston, coming in closer to about a 10% chance of rain. And then really from there over the weekend, completely dry. Now, as we head into Tuesday of next week or going into Wednesday, that's when we could slowly start to see moisture return. So let me break you down that moisture return real quick. Dry air in place right now. There's that little blip of moisture on Friday, but that's about it. Dry over the weekend, and then by midweek of next week, we could start to see a bigger push of moisture into southeast Texas. If we see that push that this model is showing, our rain chances will be going up. But there is the possibility that that moisture may not move in like it is looking like at the moment. So our rain chances also have the possibility of going down. But at this point, luckily, we even have rain chances in the forecast, and we're going to continue to keep a close eye on them as we head